Yeah, so welcome back to another video. Now, if you're wondering how to make a little pop fidget toy, I'm your guy. Okay, I'm your guy. Yeah, I'm your guy. I'm your guy. Okay. No, I don't want to hear it. I'm your guy. All right. So today I'll be showing you how to make a little pop toy with a plastic cup. Yeah, you need one of these small plastic cups. Doesn't matter what color. Just make sure it's like this. Yeah. All right. So then all you want to do, smush it. Smush it like that until you get a little rip. Peel all that. Just peel that little rip. And you should get maybe something like this. I don't know, if I was just unlucky. So, and if you get something like it doesn't work and you get something like this, then just do this and just make it to where it's folded like this. And you can get another rip. And then rip it. So then you're going to get this little thing, if you're lucky. So that might work. You could try the boot. And then once you push it, this. And then boom. It pops. And then you can try to make it again. And then you can get another one like this. So yeah, once you get one of these, you're going to pop it. Boom. So that is how you make a little pop fidget toy. So if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.